Thinking about raising chickens but short on space? Whether you have a backyard patio or tiny urban homestead, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 chicken breeds that thrive in small spaces. You don't need acres, just the right birds for your setup. We'll cover their temperaments, egg-laying abilities, and why they're perfect for urban or suburban life. By the end, you'll be ready to pick your favorite and start your own backyard flock. First up, the Silky. These gentle, fluffy chickens are famous for their calm, friendly nature and soft, downy feathers. Silkies are quiet, love attention, and are perfect for families with kids or close neighbors. They barely fly, so they're easy to contain in small runs or coops. Silkies are also great mothers and make wonderful pets, bringing charm and personality to any small flock. If you want a cuddly companion that lays a few creamy eggs, the Silky is a top pick. They're pure joy in a tiny package. Next, meet the Bantam Coachin, adorable, round, and super chill. These mini chickens are covered in fluffy feathers even on their feet and are known for their gentle, easygoing nature. Bantam Coachins don't need much space and are happy in small, secure runs. They're great with kids, rarely aggressive, and make excellent mothers if you want to hatch chicks. Their quiet, calm personalities make them ideal for city living. Plus, they lay small, tinted eggs and add a peaceful vibe to any backyard. For a beautiful, gentle bird that thrives in cozy coops, Bantam Coachins are hard to beat. Now let's talk about the Issa Brown, the egg-laying superstar. Issa Browns are friendly, calm, and adapt well to small spaces. They lay beautiful brown eggs almost daily, making them perfect for families who love fresh eggs. These hens are easy to handle, get along with other chickens, and are low maintenance. They thrive in secure runs and don't need a huge yard to be happy. Hardy and reliable, Issa Browns are a practical choice for urban homesteaders. If you want steady eggs from a sweet, easy-care hen, Issa Brown is your go-to. Meet the Sarama, the world's smallest chicken breed. These tiny birds weigh less than a pound and need minimal space, making them perfect for apartments or patios. Saramas are friendly, curious, and can even be kept indoors or on balconies. They're more like feathered pets, often perching on your shoulder and bonding with their owners. While their eggs are tiny, their personalities are huge. If you want a unique, interactive chicken for the smallest of spaces, the Sarama is a delight. They're a true novelty and a joy to own. Last but not least, the Easter Eggar, famous for its colorful eggs. These hybrid hens lay blue, green, or pinkish eggs, turning every morning into an Easter egg hunt. Easter Eggars are hardy, friendly, and adapt well to small coops or runs. They have quirky looks, often with fluffy beards and muffs, and are full of personality. They're reliable layers and get along well with other breeds. If you want a fun, dependable pet that brings color to your egg basket, the Easter Eggar is a fantastic choice. They're a top pick for small flocks with big egg goals. No matter your space, there's a perfect chicken breed for you. From cuddly Silkies to productive Issa Browns, tiny Saramas, and colorful Easter Eggars, your options are endless. With a little planning, you can enjoy fresh eggs and feathered friends right at home. Tell us in the comments, which breed are you excited to try? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tiny homestead tips. Thanks for watching and happy chickening!